so in this video, we are going to practice creating a simple report. Now, the exercise is on the right-hand side here, and this is part of the Fast and Easy QBO Starter Kit. If you want to learn more about it after we do the exercise, be sure to click on the link below in the description. Let's dive right in and see what our scenario is today. So Craig would like to see how much his business is worth right now. This should include all the money he has in his accounts, as well as the value of any assets he owns, like his inventory and his truck, how much money his clients owe him, and what he owes other people. This can all be seen on the balance sheet report. So let's go ahead and create this for Craig. You will need to be in the sample company, and the sample company is over here on the left-hand side. This is the dashboard. If you're not sure how to get into the sample company or get your own free QBOA account, be sure to click on the link below in the description. Let's get started with the exercise. From the left navigation bar, we're going to click on Reports. The left navigation bar is over here, and you will see Reports about halfway down. Go ahead and click on that, and the Reporting Center is going to show up for you. Now, the balance sheet is a very popular report, so it's already marked in the Favorite section. We're going to click on Balance Sheet. So that is right here. Alternatively, you could have clicked on balance sheet in the business overview section. But again, it's a very popular one, so it is in the favorites section. And that's it. That is how you would run the report. Now, in the top section, you will notice balances for each of Craig's bank accounts. That is right here. Then we have the accounts receivable, which is the amount of money his clients currently owe him. That is right here. In this section, you can also see the value of Craig's inventory and his truck. So inventory is here, and then fixed asset, his truck is down here. Now, in the bottom section, you can see how much money he owes other people, and that is all in this liabilities section. It's broken up into accounts payable, credit cards, other kinds of liabilities like tax and loan payments. So these liabilities, these are all things that he owes other people. Now, you could present this report to Craig as is, or you can customize it in many different ways. Learning how to customize reports as well as how to use the other reports provided with QBO is covered in our basic level certification course. Now, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about it, there is a link on the bottom in the description about the basic level certification course. So definitely check it out. And that's it. That's how you would run a report. And again, this exercise is part of the Fast and Easy QBO Starter Kit. If you liked it and you want to learn more and do other ones, be sure to click on the link below in the description, and I will see you in the next